How to find Gmail password if forgotten. See Gmail password. If you've forgotten your Gmail password but previously saved it on your device, this method may help you recover it quickly. First, open the Google app on your Android phone. Then, tap the icon on the top right corner. Next, tap Manage your Google account. Tap Security and Sign in. Now, scroll down until you find Password Manager, then tap it. Here, you'll see a list of all the passwords saved to your Google account. Look for the entry labeled google.com and tap on it. After that, if your password is previously saved, the iTap icon is shown. Then tap I icon to reveal your saved Gmail password. Keep in mind that this only works if your Google account password was previously saved in Google's Password Manager. That's it. That's how you can find your Gmail password on an Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.